tapping into their personal why. If you're able to impress upon them that you will be able to make them successful internally inside the company, and that therefore their career will improve, this is a super powerful motivator. If you can tap into that on the call, and not just into, oh yeah, so this we will be able to improve your top line by $1 million. That's great if you can do that. However, it's even better, and this is what will then actually clinch the sale, is if you're able to figure out through some subtle, not too obvious questioning, but say like, what's in it for you, John? When you get this project off the ground and we help you make an additional $1 million, what is this going to mean for you? And I'm going to be promoted from assistant to director to director or something like this. Now that's a powerful motivator. Oh, why? What is that going to help you achieve when you're a director? How will life be better as a director versus assistant director? That's a really interesting path, because ultimately if the person who is making the decision to be working with you is going to then have a tangible personal benefit from having worked with you, boy, that's powerful. It's really going to make a difference to them and to your sale to them. Okay, so their personal why. And of course, this was just a tangent on how to do this in corporate, but especially because I sell to solopreneurs and to small B2B CEOs. So they are super closely attached to the business. Sometimes they are the business themselves. And so that is a real treasure trove of information when you tap into their personal why. Like I had, for example, recently somebody on a call, and I asked them a personal why. So what's in it for you? And he said, or I think, what was the question? I think I asked him, how will you feel once you've had that? And he told me, I'm going to feel less like a failure. Boy, that's powerful. If somebody has this level of trust towards you on the call where he tells you, I'm going to feel less like a failure, that's half the work done, man.